What is up, boys? I'm back with another video. Today I will take some trades with candlestick psychology, and I'm looking for this candle to close. Then I can go with sellers. Okay, this is also a bad market with long shadows. You see the long shadows, long wicks, so you have to try to enter with marginal safety. Okay, and you see the rejection. So I really want to go with sellers here, but I will enter with marginal safety. Oh man, what is this gap? I will enter with marginal safety. Okay, I enter right here. Let's add a couple of pairs so we can switch between them easily. I go with sellers right here, right on this round number as well. Okay, here you see that the price is coming down. This is a price channel, okay? And also this trend line has been broken. And these two are big momentum candles, just like here. We might have a couple of retracements to the upside, but still there's a gap to this, you know, kind of buyer's entry. But I don't trust this because we might have another green candle to this line here. Okay, so I might go with even, you know, buyers here. But that's kind of risky though. Okay, they're pretty strong. I will go with buyers with 100 because no, man. Wow. Okay, these two trades are closed. Okay, this one was a win and the next one was a losing trade. Okay, so I will enter again with marginal safety at this trade. And this trade was a losing trade, okay? Because of, I think this is my fault because I didn't check the trend line. This is perfect trend line, and that's totally my fault, okay? There's nothing wrong with this market. Okay, so here also you see this price channel is going up and still there's a gap. We see strong buyers entry from this trend line, so I will manage to enter with a buy position here with 200. And yeah. Let's see. Okay, and also here I'm waiting for this candle to close. We had a you know, break of the support area and retesting. Okay, I go with sellers right here, and also at this one also going with the sellers because we didn't even break this level. We rejected like crazy and closed under this level. There's still a little bit of gap to this level. We might have a small green candle here, but I entered with marginal safety right on this level, so it should be fine. And about this one, I go with sellers here because we created a lower low here and the market is trending down and getting rejected from this level, and also this is a retracement rejecting from the level. So there's two scenarios at this trade. Okay, one of them is that it's gonna keep dropping at least until this level. Okay, and the next scenario is it's trying to break this level. If this candle breaks this level, at least it's gonna go to this level. Okay, so these are two scenarios here, but it seems that the trade is trying to gonna be a winning trade. Still, again, I will go with sellers here, but that one and also this is the other trade that is winning trade, closed on this level. Okay, and yeah, this is the next level because, you know, there might be a, okay, you might think that, okay, there can be a red green pattern. Yes, of course there can be a red green pattern, but I go with sellers because previously we have strong sellers retracement and this should be sellers. Okay, so the priority is going with the sellers, but the buyers can reject the market and close as a green candle. There's always, you know, different scenarios in the market. And you know, the person who's trying to trade should manage the risk. Okay, for example, here I didn't really care about this red green pattern because of this momentum, and you know, but also you kind of should count the situations. For example, this trend line is also strong here and it created a red green pattern here. So here we don't have that much of rejection, so this is still 50-50. Okay, in this trading session I'm trying to kind of catch all the opportunities I see. I don't really overthink them for you to see how many scenarios we have in the market. Like for example, here we can a break to the upside because we don't have any sellers activity at this candle. And also we can, you know, keep going with the red green pattern because previously we have strong rejections from this area, and you see this inverted hammer, red hammer here, and also this round number here. So it's really depending on the person who's trading, okay, to how to use these concepts, okay. So here I'm just gonna wait, and the whole market's you know, story is that considering proper scenarios, okay, if you know what I'm saying, considering proper scenarios is very important. I go with buyers here. Okay, we have a strong, I might go one more trade here. Please come down a little more. Okay, this is the same entry though. Okay, so you see that we won this trade here. We had took this trade, but we didn't drop. Okay, so the scenario was like this, and then this candle came into the game and changed the game. Like I said, there was two scenarios. One of them is going to keep dropping until this level, and the other one is going until this level. So you see that the second one is happening here. And yeah, this is, I'm not trying to fight with the market. This is the key. Some people okay, they think that, okay, the scenario is like this, so this stays in their mind forever, even if they see these candles, and again for the next candle they go with sellers. They go with sellers, hoping that the market's gonna reverse, hoping, okay? But the markets keep going up, and then they get mad. They try to revenge the market. So here they go with buyers, okay? They say that, okay, buyers time, I go with buyers. But this is retracement time, okay? They lose again. This is kind of mind game that traders really struggle these days in binary option, of course. In the Forex market, it's kind of the same, but there's a little bit of differences, but basically they're the same thing in terms of psychology of the market, okay. Let's see, this is a strong level, but this is also a strong momentum, okay. Let me see. Okay, we have a trend line here. See this trend line? I really want to go with sellers here, but there's a gap, and we have a gap up. Okay, this level hasn't you know, the gap hasn't filled yet, so this gap up shows that the buyers are eagerly trying to fill the gap, but no problem. I'll go double trade for the next trade if this candle is a losing trade, okay? If this trade is a losing trade, because you know, if there wasn't any gap, we probably had would have a small red candle. Okay, the sellers again rejected the price from the supply area. Okay, what's going on? This is basically a bad market. I should have entered with marginal safety in these kind of markets. Yeah, I advise everyone that enter with marginal safety in the market with long wicks. But still, I take my trades like this. I don't know, there's something wrong with me. Okay, this is a winning trade, but still, this is so risky that, you know, in these long wick markets, you know, trading with, you know, kind of immediately after candle closing, you have to kind of wait for marginal safety. Okay, for example, wait and enter at this level. Okay, if you enter right to this level, 95% of the time you win. If you enter with marginal safety, you might miss a couple of trades. For example, here, if you wait for marginal safety for entering here, it's not gonna come up. Okay, then it's gonna drop, and you're gonna get mad that you know, missed this trade, perfect trade. But yeah, you're the trades you're gonna take is gonna be more sure. Okay, but you might miss a couple of trades. That's okay. Okay, that's no problem, because there's a lot of opportunities in this market. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you learned something. If you learned, drop a like for me. If you didn't learn anything, don't drop a like for me. Okay, that's simple as that. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. If you have any sort of question, you can ask in the comments or in the Telegram channel community tab. There is a place that people talk together. They ask their questions. You can join, and it's obviously free. Okay, and yeah, thank you guys, and thank you for all your supports, all your likes, and everything. Peace out.